Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's session, going with the annotation tools. So first one will be going on with text term. Under text, we have two types. So one it is multi-line text and another one it is single line text. I'll take up multi-line text. So as soon as I take up multi-line text, I need to drag and then I need to type. So I'll be typing something and I'll finish it off. You can see the text being very small in the size. In order to edit it, just click on the text, give a right click and go for M text edit. Select everything and then change the dimension here. Right now it is of 0.2, make it as 1, enter. So the size of the text that we have inserted has been increased. If not, select the text, give right click and go to properties. Under properties, you'll be having text here. Here you can edit everything. In the sense, if I need to edit text content, in the sense I can click on this and then I can add extra text like this. See, I have a text height here right now 1. I'll be making it as 2, enter. Now you can see the size of this has been increased. So this is how we can make simple text and simple text editing terms. So this is multi-line text. Next we have single line text. So take up single line text and specify height. So for me I need a height of so and so, and then I should be giving angle for the rotation. So multi-line text cannot be given with an angle. Single line text can be given an angle like this. Now if I type something, so it will be there in angle mode like this. So this is for single line. Even for this edition also, properties and then come to text and then change the height of a text here. So this is how you can change the height of the text, and here you can change the angle of the text. 90 degree, it has been running through the 90 degree. So this is how you work with multi-line text and single line text in AutoCAD. People have understood the text part today. So in tomorrow's session we'll be continuing with dimension terms. Thank you.